So on my sound journey with Yoga Nidra, the first instrument that took my fancy, that really called to me, was this instrument here. It's called the Shuruti box. It is an Indian instrument, a classical Indian instrument. However, that's actually not its background. It actually used to look very different from the point of view that it was played like so, like a piano. As you can see, the piano keys on top, the black ones and then the white ones, and it goes from C to G and then A, B again. But when it was like this, it used to have legs. So it originally came from Scotland, and when England conquered India, or went there for whatever way you would like to phrase it, they took over this instrument that was called something different. It wasn't quite called a Shruti box at the time, and they took it over there and used to play it in this position on legs, and it was slightly bigger, and play it like a piano. As you will, from that knowledge now, when you hear it, hear the bellowing sound that a Scottish instrument has. And when England left with the Scots, and certain things started to become integrated into the Indian culture, they chose to cut off the legs, giving the instrument these little feet here, and to change it from this position to this position. So for yoga, whether that's Bhakti yoga, whether that's Yoga Nidra, whether that's Kirtan or any devotional form of yoga, this instrument is often used. And in classical Indian music, it's used to keep the tone and keep the rhythm of all the other instruments that will be played on top of it. But for yoga, it is often used for the effect it has on the body-mind, which is to lift it, to lift the spirit of oneself, and to allow the body-mind to become more supple. I use it for Yoga Nidra to allow the body, the mind to journey after it's arisen out of the solidity of the body. So I'm going to play it for you now, and as you know, I'm not a musician, but just by playing it, you will feel this lift that I'm talking about, and you will feel drawn maybe to just hum along. I'm not a kirtan teacher, singer, and I am still finding my voice with the instruments I choose, hence me making these blocks to show the expression of that and the journey of that. And therefore, I don't know what's going to come out of my mouth when I start to play. I'm going to play in the traditional key of C for yoga, because that is the key that allows the mind to lift and journey and go deeper into that meditative state. And whatever my mind, body, voice is called to do, I'm just going to allow it to do just that. And I hope you can bear it. Here we go. You